One of the most useful groups of related operations is cut, copy, and paste. These are available as menu items, but they're so common I really recommend, even more than usual, that you learn the keyboard shortcuts. Cut, copy, and paste are typically Command X, Command C, and Command V. These three letters are located all in a row on a standard QWERTY keyboard. Let's take a look at the README file. Let's pick one of the links and just copy it, like this. That's Command C. You could paste it in like this, Command V. We'd also cut it like this. Gets rid of it, paste it in. Of course, we don't want to keep these changes, and we'll see in the next section how to undo them.